It's our first update for my 6 in 2026 project pan, low maintenance thing I'm doing this year. So I have 5 products in front of me. That already gives you an answer on one of the products somewhat. So I had put in a lip liner in this project. That one I lost, so I don't have it. I went to the grocery store, put it in my back pocket because I hate wearing purses. I hate having to carry and fumble and worry about so much stuff. I only like to have my cash, my lip products, my phone, and I'm good. And the pants that I was wearing, I guess it must have slipped out of, so I lost the lip liner. I don't know where it went. I tried backtracking in the parking lot of it. I tried checking underneath the car. And I tried checking around my driveway, and yeah, so that lip liner is long gone, so there's absolutely no progress going to be on it from here on out. Not even an empty. But at least I used most of it before it kind of got lost, so I'm not too sad about it. But I love all the other products, so I'll go ahead and talk about those. The primer is the NYX Honey Do Me Up. There is no progress on this. I have not touched it. I have yet to touch it as of filming this. Now, when this video goes up, I may or may not have some progress on this, but I am debating on not updating this project every month. I think just if there's significant progress, I'll take a picture of it if I remember, or if I finish an item, I'll come back and I'll be on here and update you guys. But I don't feel like monthly updates is worth it. Maybe every other month, every couple of months. So I hope we're all okay with that, but we're still full bottle with this. Skin Paradise Water Infused Tinted Moisturizer, and this one, remember, has SPF, a broad spectrum SPF of 19, not enough spectrum, but at least there's some. I always put sunscreen on now before any of my makeup, but you'll remember why I put this in here, because it has SPF. I think products with SPF or skincare derivatives or skincare ingredients, they expire a lot faster, and so that is why I'm trying to use this up. Use this once, and I don't think I've touched it since, but I'm going to try my best to use this more often. And the concealer that I have in here is my Depotted Decanted CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer. It's in this little metal jar. There's still quite a bit in here. I mean, I'm noticing that I don't need a lot. I feel like I over apply whenever I use a brush, instead of with my fingers I grab a little bit and then I pat. So this one I anticipated to finish by the middle of the year, but I think we're pushing it. Maybe it's gonna be taking us the entire year to finish this up. But that's okay. The bronzer stick I have in here is the LA Colors Contour Stick. This one, again, is the shade Medium. This one I have been exclusively using the past week and a half, 2 weeks about, I want to say, recording this. And last time I said I didn't want to roll it up because it was broken, but I guess it kind of got smushed in there with the way that I pushed on my skin, and it kind of melted it back together. But this is how much I have left. I do have to use quite a bit of this, so I feel like this one won't take me all year to get through. Definitely feel like this could take me at least maybe to the middle of the year. And the last product I had in here is this lip gloss. Now, it is what I'm wearing today. I remember to use it. I have been neglecting this because since losing the lip liner, I would always pair these two together, the lip liner and this, just because it made it a really easy nude glossy lip, and I love pairing those two together. So since I don't have that lip liner, I'm forgetting to use this, but I'm trying to remember to use this. I just enjoy it on its own. I do like this sort of pale glossiness to my lips, and also I could kind of be using this whenever I do my makeup as a chapstick sort of thing. It's not really hydrating or doing anything beneficial to my lips, but in the process I am getting use off of this, and I am having to reapply because this wears off with eating and drinking. So this will definitely get multiple uses in a day, as long as I remember to reapply. There's no physical progress on it. I can't tell where I'm at. Can't tell if it's if I'm getting anywhere, because the hole is so small and there's a lot of gooped up lip gloss at the top. So I can't really gauge. We're just gonna have to use this, and when we start seeing windowing, hope for the best. That is all of the updates I wanted to mention in this video. Are you doing a 6 in 2026 or 26 in 2026? What other project plans are you participating in this year? Let me know in the comments down below, and I would love to chat with you guys always. So I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day and or week, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye, guys.